How to change your number on Betway. So first things first is open up any application or any working web browser on your end to access Betway's official site. Once you're here, all I have to do before changing your current number is make sure that you can still log into your current account. Log in using your old number and then enter your password. Now, changing your phone number is only accessible via your account management at the top right portion upon logging in. But the other option that you can do is by just simply clicking chat box icon right here, and then just simply complete this form below by entering your first name, the area code of the account number that you use, your phone number, and hit on submit. Just have to send them a request that you would like to get your phone number changed, and then they will be asking some security questions for you to successfully change your phone number. And that is how you change number in Betway.